how to get 7 days free trial on Crunchyroll. Hey guys, today I am going to show you how to get 7 days free trial on Crunchyroll. To get started, you need to open your browser and navigate to the Crunchyroll website. Once you are on the home page, look for the Try Free Premium option located at the top of the page and click on it. This will take you to the subscription plans where you will find three different options. The fan plan costs 280 PK per month, while the mega fan plan is available for 350 PKR per month. Additionally, if you prefer a yearly subscription, you can choose the mega fan plan annual for 3D 500 PKR per year. After reviewing the plans, you need to choose the one that best suits you and click on Start 7-day free trial. To continue, you must create an account by providing your email address and setting a password. Make sure to read and accept the privacy policy before clicking on Create Account to proceed. Once your account is created, you will be directed to the final step of the process. Here you need to enter your payment details including your card number, expiration date, CVV, postal code and country. After filling in all the required information, you need to confirm your subscription and start your free 7-day trial. And that's it. You have successfully redeemed your Crunchyroll 7-day free trial. That's it and thanks. I will catch you all in the next video.